Yo, true story. If I'm doing something to you, yo, quick video. Shit like this, I can't make up. Yo, me I talk to a girl. I swear things say yo somebody have a every people like everybody them have them special order. Like me don't know why. Can watch ya. Me my last girlfriend, yo, she have a order. I can bear it. In this thing, I need not too forward. Yes, my last girlfriend. So you do the max. But in the two thing, I don't. It never stink, but she have a smell where I can bear. But when I talk to this girl, I know, yo, the bitch have a smell like, yo, I can't bear. I don't know why. And more before she come to my house, like she take a shower. So more I text her and she say, yo, she'll come over. She say, yo, she'll be it first, and I don't know what. As I said, I'm convinced that yo, everybody have a smell. And I know this other girl, yeah, like every time she come, I'm going to meet her. She not my girl, but this other girl, yeah, so two girl, so three girl to be exact. Then my last girlfriend, my other so-called girl, and some next girl I know. The whole three of them have a smell. The first one, my last girlfriend, is something I can bear. The other two, yo, I swear to you, like this shit me now make up. Like every time, especially the third one, when she come home, come like more vomit. And the three of them are different race too. So I don't know if that are the thing. I don't know if every race have a smell or what, but I know I'm convinced that yo, everybody have a little odor, whether it smell good or not. So people, if you watch a video, yeah, yo, go smell your boyfriend and go smell your girlfriend and see if them smell away. Or yeah, that if I'm to you yet too. Like some of your niggas them have some special odor. I swear, just help me out. Cause I swear to you, everybody has a special odor. With my odor, only thing me can say I'm always green. That's it. I smell green, that's it. To be honest with you, but no fun and joke aside, yo, help me out, dog. More than if everybody have a different odor. And that's all I'm going to say, yo, please share. I say quick video, I'm going to take around 2 minutes. I'm out.